10 months post conclusion of the contract. At the outset, my compliments to Adani Defence Systems and Technologies and its team of brilliant and motivated minds for continuing to determinedly develop this sophisticated platform despite challenges posed by their industry partners' preoccupation due to the ongoing conflict in West Asia. So, ladies and gentlemen, the importance of autonomous systems in this rapidly evolving and dynamic tech-infused wars of the contemporary world needs no emphasis. Sitting in our homes, we continue to witness their disproportionate impact in the ongoing conflicts in Europe and West Asia. Further, the recent incidents in Northern Arabian Sea and the Central Arabian Sea amply demonstrates the challenges posed by such systems when they fall in the hands of non-state actors and terrorists. Today, autonomous systems are becoming a preferred choice in the order of battle for nations across the globe. Both our immediate neighbors collectively hold a very large inventory of UAVs. Therefore, it's only prudent that we as a nation and as the armed forces continue to harness our resident expertise in this domain by remaining agile, adaptable and ahead of the curve. So while Bharatiya Nausena has been operating UAVs over the last 2 decades, the delivery of Drishti symbolizes the Navy's vision to be a Atmanirbhar and future-proof force. Our commitment to indigenization of such sophisticated and niche platforms also cements our stature as a trailblazer among armed forces in adopting and integrating pole vaulting technologies. With state-of-the-art sensors, enhanced endurance, advanced communication capabilities, as well as new-age technologies like automatic takeoff landing or ATOL, Drishti would be a potent force multiplier, adding capability and credibility in undertaking intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance or the ISR operations across the Indian Ocean region. Additionally, the versatility and flexibility offered through modularity and mobility of ground support equipment would enable us to operate Drishti from various naval air stations across Bharat. I am confident that Drishti would play a pivotal role in shaping our future naval operations towards safeguarding India's national maritime interests in the Indian Ocean region and ensure maritime security in collaboration with our friends and partners in this region. So today's ceremony represents Bharatiya Nausena's unwavering commitment to Rashtra Nirman to achieve our Arman to be a fully Atmanirbhar force by 2047. That is the pledge we have given to our national leadership. So supporting us in this endeavour is Team Bharat's promising indigenous defence manufacturing community comprising public and private sector entities, academia, innovators and dreamers and startups. And it is industries like Adani Defence Systems and Technologies Limited that play a crucial role in contributing to our collective effort to realize a Viksit and Atmanirbhar Bharat in our Amrit Kal. I am sure that you will continue with the same enthusiasm, eagerness and energy in meeting all the expectations of Navy's vision for Drishti, fulfilling all the contractual obligations and working shoulder to shoulder with the Navy in ensuring that platforms like these retain their operational edge throughout their life cycle. So going forward, I urge you to give flight to your imaginations, to soar beyond conventional boundaries and to dream of frontiers yet to be conquered. So this quest will invariably require not just leapfrogging, but pole vaulting in technological advancements. And I assure you that the Navy will partner you all the way. So before concluding, a word to the men and women in whites who are present here today. I firmly believe that irrespective of the scope and scale of military technological advancements, it is us, the human element in uniform, who remain the principal guarantors of our nation's safety and security. While every effort is being made by the country to enable and equip the armed forces, it is our onerous responsibility to make sure that every rupee counts by ensuring the highest levels of system performance and combat readiness. The enthusiasm and joy that I see in your faces gives me every confidence that each one of you will do your duty and do it well. So demand the best from Team Adani, and I am sure Drishti will deliver very well at sea. So ladies and gentlemen, may Drishti be our third eye in the sky, providing us battlefield transparency with incisive clarity, enabling Bharatiya Nausena to score a bullseye on anyone who dares to cast an evil eye at Bharat and our citizens. So I wish you all every success in your future endeavors. Happy landings. Jai Bharat, Shano Varan.
So, it was indeed a privilege to listen